How to limit the mobile data speed, Wi-Fi or network. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So first of all, start by opening your settings on your phone. So you can find your settings here. So after you go through your settings on the home page, you will see many options right there. Go on the about phone option and check your network from there. And if you don't find it there, you can also go on the top search bar and search for network. So when you search for mobile data and networks, now where you need to go is tap on mobile data and network type. So make sure it is set up to the LTE. So if it is, then you can again go to the top search bar. Now go to the network and go to the network mode. After you go to the network mode, where here you will see there is the very option of network mode. So you need to fix it. If it is set up to 2G only, then your network speed will be very slow. So you can set up to 5G, LTE, 2G auto connect. That makes sure your network is connected automatically and to the correct form as well. Like how the network speed is, it will connect and adopt the network speed and connect on your phone. But if you want to connect for only 3G, only 2G, then you can select it as well. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.